Uh-oh, looks like we'll be replacing a bulb. So on this model, it looks like it takes an H11 as your low beam headlight. This is a 2014 Subaru Forester. And it is the right headlight out. And it looks like we can get at it without removing anything. And it is this outer one, not this inner one. So basically all you do, you reach in here, push this tab down, and remove the plug. Take the headlight and turn it counterclockwise. And it's out. So to put the new one in, you just do it in reverse. Line it up, turn it clockwise, and then plug the wiring pigtail back in, or connector. Easy peasy. So now let's see if it works. There we go. All done.